Altseason is just around the corner, and the crypto market is buzzing with anticipation. In just 1 month, the stage will be set for explosive growth as these altcoins prepare to take center stage. In this video, we'll reveal 10 altcoins with the potential for 500x gains, backed by innovative use cases and strong market momentum. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight, called Clearpool. Clearpool is the first decentralized credit marketplace worldwide, originating hundreds of millions of loans through its DeFi protocols. It operates on various networks, giving investors the freedom to choose the loan requests they wish to fund. Clearpool serves as a bridge between institutional borrowers and lenders. These lenders contribute their digital assets to individual borrower pools. They have full control over the borrower they lend to and their risk exposure, which they can assess by reviewing borrower profiles. Lenders can earn higher interest rates and returns by providing unsecured institutional liquidity to higher-risk borrower pools. To participate with Clearpool as a borrower or lender, users must own C-Pool tokens. Borrowers set up their borrower pool, and financial institutions determine the interest rates for each borrower pool through the Clearpool Oracle network. Lenders can then stake their C-Pool tokens to a specific pool, earning interest on their staked tokens. Clearpool initiates blockchain technology crypto lending by creating single borrower pools. Risks are evaluated based on borrowers' profiles and the credit market, enabling potential lenders to assess the total value potential for their investments. Clearpool launched in early 2022 with 3 liquidity pools from FBG Capital, Wintermute, and Folkwang. In 2024, Clearpool has introduced term pools, credit vaults, a new chain, fintech borrowers, and a new user interface. Looking ahead, its decentralized credit marketplace will further evolve, featuring multi-chain growth, detailed credit report availability, the second version of Clearpool Prime, a new staking model, exchange-traded pools, and other enhancements. Clearpool has a market cap of $250 million right now. A market cap of at least $30 billion is doable in the future, and is a 120x from here. Moving on to our next project, Neural AI. Neural is a decentralized app designed to revolutionize the creation and trade of 3D digital assets. Its key features include a generative AI engine that supports text to 3D and image to 3D asset creation, a decentralized marketplace for these assets, and a GPU rental service. Neural also facilitates TAO mining, the native cryptocurrency of BitTensor's AI-focused blockchain, through GPU rentals. The platform also provides incubation support for game developers, helping them create, promote, and monetize 3D assets with reduced technical and marketing complexities. Creating 3D digital assets traditionally demands substantial resources, both technical and financial. The concept of mining TAO is integral to the platform's ecosystem, particularly through its use of the BitTensor blockchain's subnet infrastructure. Neural operates within its own subnet on the BitTensor blockchain, focusing on tasks related to 3D asset generation and GPU rental management. The subnet facilitates the decentralized processing of prompts provided by developers, allowing TAO miners to help in generating high-quality 3D models. This process not only rewards miners for their contributions, but also ensures that asset developers receive high-quality outputs in a timely and cost-effective manner. Central to the platform's functionality is the Neural Flywheel, a process that integrates all key components of the platform, from token ownership and asset creation to GPU rental and TAO mining. To participate, developers must purchase and hold Neural tokens, the platform's native currency. Owning these tokens unlocks faster asset generation and additional benefits, such as priority access to GPU rentals. Once a developer provides a text or image prompt to the Neural engine, the request is processed by TAO miners on the BitTensor subnet. Upon completion, the developer receives the final asset while the miners are compensated with TAO tokens for their work. Neural has a market cap of $100 million right now. A market cap of at least $20 billion this bull run is possible, and is a beautiful 200x from here. Altcoin number 3 you should look into is called Metacade. Metacade is an ambitious gaming platform on BaseChain, designed to unite gamers, developers, and blockchain enthusiasts in a shared digital space called Metacadia. It offers a GameFi ecosystem where users can play games, join tournaments, contribute to blockchain development, and invest in Web3 projects. The platform is built around 4 key areas: entertainment, builder, finance, and media. each catering to different user interests. At the heart of Medicaid's gaming community is the Entertainment Quarter, where users enjoy cross-platform games and competitive tournaments, earning MCAID tokens as rewards. The Media Quarter serves as a resource hub, providing game reviews, leaderboards, and GameFi Alpha, insights into upcoming and innovative blockchain games. A standout feature is the Builder Quarter, which offers developers support and resources, including the MetaGrants program. This program funds developer-submitted projects based on community votes, empowering users to shape Medicaid's game offerings and helping developers bring their ideas to life. Medicaid also features an AI-driven marketing tool called Level Up. This tool helps partners and developers streamline engagement, manage communications, and distribute content effectively from a single dashboard. The Builder Quarter further supports new projects through its development incubator, technical consultancy, and education programs. Meanwhile, the Finance Quarter provides investment options in blockchain projects to fund the ecosystem's growth. By integrating blockchain and AI, Medicaid enhances user engagement with personalized game recommendations and curated content tailored to individual interests. This community-driven approach, combined with BaseChain's fast, low-cost infrastructure, positions Medicaid as a dynamic virtual hub, set to revolutionize how gaming communities interact in Web3 spaces. Medicaid currently has a market cap of $50 million. We predict that Medicaid will have a market cap of at least $8 billion in a bull run. That is a nice 160x from here. Our next two projects are fantastic AI agents that we're really bullish on. Let's start with Acolyte by Virtuals. Acolyte is a pioneering decentralized platform designed to navigate the rapidly expanding AI agent ecosystem, providing users with comprehensive insights and strategic advantages. Born within the Decentralized Tech Researchers (DTR) collective, Acolyte addresses significant challenges such as information overload, limited reasoning capabilities of AI agents, and complex data infrastructures. The platform introduces a unified access point for AI agents, streamlining data retrieval and enhancing decision-making processes. By consolidating fragmented information, Acolyte empowers traders to identify credible AI projects with strong fundamentals, enabling more confident and strategic investments. Acolyte's mission is to democratize access to high-quality information, ensuring that knowledge is available to all. The platform's vision encompasses transforming the AI agent market by offering unparalleled insights across multiple domains, including trading and application development. The platform's architecture is built to handle the dynamic nature of the AI agent ecosystem, accommodating new data sources and adapting to changes efficiently. This adaptability ensures that users have access to the most current and relevant information, fostering informed decision-making and strategic planning. By addressing key challenges and providing a centralized platform for data access and analysis, Acolyte empowers users to make informed decisions, invest wisely, and contribute to the growth and development of the AI agent ecosystem. Acolyte has a market cap of $30 million. We believe that a market cap of $15 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a mind-blowing 500x from here. Our next AI agent project we would like to highlight is called Griffin. Griffin is an innovative platform that coordinates a network of AI agents designed to facilitate on-chain actions within the Solana blockchain ecosystem. Griffin's AI network comprises two primary agent types: personal agents and special agents. Personal agents are user-created and controlled, allowing for customization of instructions and memory updates. These agents can execute on-chain actions or search for pertinent information through predefined actions. It's essential for users to ensure their requests align with the agent's capabilities to prevent errors or unsupported actions. Special agents, developed by Griffin, are tailored to perform specific tasks and are accessible to early access users. Examples include Agent Baxis, Agent Blink, Agent On-Chain Holiday, Agent Sniper, and Agent Flipper, each designed to handle distinct functions within the ecosystem. The platform's user interface is designed to be intuitive, featuring a chat interface that allows users to interact with their AI agents effortlessly. Recent updates have improved this interface and enhanced agent capabilities, enabling better retrieval of on-chain data and execution of transactions. Operating on an invite-only basis for now, Griffin offers early access to users holding specific passes or tokens, such as the Early Access Pass or Griffin's Saga Genesis tokens. The platform's development and integration with Solana have been significantly influenced by Tony Placencia, a prominent figure in the blockchain and AI space. Placencia, known for his expertise and innovative vision, has been instrumental in fostering Griffin's synergy with Solana's high-performance infrastructure. His connection to Solana underscores the project's commitment to leveraging the blockchain's unparalleled speed and low transaction costs, ensuring that Griffin's AI agents operate efficiently and provide a cost-effective experience for users. Griffin has a market cap of 400 million. A market cap of at least 60 billion. This bull run is possible for this unique AI project, and is a nice 150x from here. Another promising AI project that we believe has tremendous potential is Spectral. Machine learning models, especially those applied in critical production settings, are typically designed and developed by a handful of large, centralized entities using complex and proprietary techniques. AI agents, which are essentially automated codes that perform tasks on our behalf, have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Pioneering AI innovators such as OpenAI have already made significant progress in this regard, laying the groundwork for the creation of agent marketplaces. In the context of Web3, AI agents can provide a considerable boost to the speed and overall user experience of on-chain operations. The decentralized ethos that underpins Web3 stands in stark contrast to the concept of centralized marketplaces that currently dominate the creation and operation of on-chain agents. Enter Spectral, an innovative solution that seeks to reconcile these seemingly contradictory elements by bridging the divide between AI, machine learning, and blockchain technologies. Its suite of products enables users to create on-chain agents that operate based on transparent, open-source knowledge bases and inferences. These agents utilize a common provenance layer, aptly named the infrachain, thereby ensuring transparency and accountability in their operations. Spectral offers two distinct products, Spectral Syntax and Spectral Nova. The former is a network of on-chain agents that enables users to create their own on-chain agents using a Solidity copilot. It understands natural language intents and turns them into code-based agent instructions. Users can create and monetize their own agents or use the community-created agents to perform their daily Web3 tasks. On the other hand, Spectral Nova is a machine intelligence network that provides decentralized ML inferences directly to smart contracts. It encourages top data scientists and ML engineers to build models that output inference feeds to solve predictive and machine intelligence problems for Web3 applications. The agents created on the Spectral Syntax network and the various inference feeds they consume from the Spectral Nova network will be integrated through the infrachain. Spectral envisions the infrachain as the future of agent-to-agent communication, promoting transparency, decentralization, and performance verification for AI's application in the Web3 space. Spectral currently has a market cap of 100 million. We believe that Spectral has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 20 billion in the future. That is an amazing 200x from here. As our seventh project, we would like to highlight AlienBase. AlienBase is a decentralized trading platform bringing efficient, secure, and fast DeFi trading to the Base blockchain. It aggregates liquidity across the network, allowing users to trade tokens with minimal slippage and optimized routing, reducing costs and improving transaction speed. The platform's interface resembles a centralized exchange, making it accessible to both novice and experienced traders who want a familiar feel with the benefits of decentralization. AlienBase's native token, ALB, has a maximum supply of 510 million and supports the ecosystem through governance options, staking rewards, and liquidity incentives. The staking model offers attractive annualized returns to encourage long-term holder engagement. An advanced escrowed version, SALB, rewards long-term commitment through time-based vesting. The platform's staking pools currently hold significant TVL, indicating growing user adoption and trust. To support developers, AlienBase provides various tools, including a streamlined token generator for quick token deployment and liquidity pool creation. It also offers customizable yield farming options and automated trading strategies to help projects manage liquidity and boost user engagement. The platform's Epsilon technology enables efficient swaps by routing transactions through the safest and most cost-effective paths. For yield-seeking users, AlienBase offers farming and staking options to maximize returns. Security is paramount, with rigorous contract audits, time locks, and multi-sig wallets protecting user assets. AlienBase aims to become a leading DeFi hub on the Base network, offering robust trading options, easy liquidity generation, and a thriving ecosystem for both traders and developers. Alienbase currently has a market cap of 25 million. We believe that Alienbase has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 10 billion in the future. That is a crazy 400x from here. For our final 3 projects, we'll highlight RWA projects that we believe, together with AI, will dominate the upcoming alt-season and bull run. First up is Origin Trail. Origin Trail is a platform that uses both a blockchain and a technology called a decentralized knowledge graph, DKG, to manage data about real-world assets in the digital space. The design of its ecosystem is to improve the discoverability of important, shared knowledge across the world. Origin Trail was initially conceived as a solution to integrate the advanced capabilities of blockchain technology into the realm of supply chain logistics. The primary objective was to establish a reliable, decentralized hub for supply chain management where customers, manufacturers, and suppliers could share critical data and track the entire product journey securely and transparently. As the project evolved, the scope of Origin Trail expanded beyond supply chain logistics to include the digitization of any real-world asset. Consequently, Origin Trail now incorporates features that are reminiscent of other crypto projects such as VeChain, which is heavily focused on supply chain logistics, and Centrifuge, which is known for its work in the field of RWA tokenization. In addition to these features, the platform also addresses the prevalent issue of misinformation by meticulously verifying the source of all information before it is made available to users, thereby ensuring the integrity and accuracy of the data. In terms familiar to those in the crypto industry, the underlying blockchain of Origin Trail serves as its Layer 1, while the decentralized knowledge graph functions as its Layer 2. This unique combination effectively harnesses the trustless and verifiable nature of blockchain technology, with the robust data representation capabilities of a DKG, to create a complex yet logical and functional system. The data representation includes the origin of the data, which is critical for ensuring transparency and trust. Looking towards the future, Origin Trail is continually evolving to include artificial intelligence in its data management processes to further enhance its capabilities. The team behind the project is also proactively working on scaling its operations to cater to a larger user base and handle more data. Finally, the Trace token, TRAC, which serves as Origin Trail's utility token, is used for multiple purposes within the platform. Users can stake TRAC tokens, pay for the publication of data known as knowledge assets, and set collateral on the DKG network nodes. TRAC currently has a market cap of 300 million. We predict that TRAC will have a market cap of at least 30 billion in the future. That is a 100x from here. Next up in our lineup is Propy. Propy is an innovative blockchain-based real estate platform using Coinbase's base chain to revolutionize property transactions by bringing real estate assets on-chain. It aims to make property ownership more accessible, secure, and efficient for buyers and sellers through tokenization and digital representations of real-world addresses. A key feature of Propy is Propy Keys, which allows users to mint real estate addresses as NFTs. This not only secures property titles by reducing risks like deed fraud, but also gamifies property ownership with interactive features such as challenges and staking mechanisms. These staked NFTs offer Propy token rewards, encouraging active community participation. The initiative quickly gained traction, with over 150,000 minted addresses shortly after launch, and a goal of millions more, valued at an estimated $10 billion. Propy Keys also offers AI-generated NFT landmarks, enabling users to own customized digital versions of global landmarks, expanding its reach into collectible assets. By digitizing and gamifying property deeds, Propy facilitates smoother property transfers and a more decentralized approach to real estate, aiming to transform the $280 trillion market. Propy represents a cutting-edge approach to real estate investment and transaction management, attracting support from influential figures in tech and finance, including Cathie Wood and Tim Draper. Through its base chain integration, Propy is pioneering on-chain home ownership, turning the dream of seamless, secure property transactions into a blockchain reality. Propy currently has a market cap of 60 million. We believe that a market cap of 10 billion is possible in a bull run for this RWA project. That is a 167x from here. Finally, let's explore Pendle Finance, one of today's leading projects combining RWA and DeFi. Pendle is an innovative project that brings a unique and fresh perspective to the practice of yield optimization within the DeFi space. At its core, The protocol is intricately designed to enable users to trade tokenized future yields of DeFi assets. This ingenious approach paves the way for a novel market for yield exposure, a concept that was previously beyond reach in the DeFi landscape. This market offers users unprecedented access to yield that they would otherwise have been unable to tap into. In turn, this fosters the creation of new, lucrative investment opportunities for investors who are constantly on the hunt for yield. Central to Pendle's functionality is the use of yield tokens. These tokens serve as a representation of a future stream of yield emanating from a specific DeFi asset. Examples of these assets range from a liquidity pool token to a lending token. The unique feature of these tokens is that they can be traded on secondary markets. This provides users with the ability to buy and sell future yield exposure to these assets, opening up a new frontier of opportunities. One of Pendle's key strengths lies in its capability to create customizable yield structures. These are tailored to meet the specific needs of users, providing an additional layer of flexibility and customization. This feature allows users to optimize their yield strategies based on their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. In addition to all these features, Pendle also introduces a unique staking mechanism. Users can stake their Pendle tokens, thereby earning rewards for providing liquidity to yield token markets. This incentive mechanism encourages users to provide liquidity, which in turn ensures a boost in liquidity. Pendle currently has a market cap of 600 million. A market cap of 50 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is an 83x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.